We have decided.
We're moving.
We are at Sugar Sands RV Resort.
That's a dog park right here. We're on an alligator search.
Well, there's literally a croc right there. Right there.
Hey, this is Chris.
And Angela
From Escapism.
We're loving the Airstream life.
And on every adventure, we embrace the unexpected and let life unfold.
We are real people.
Doing real things.
Come along and
escape with us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready to start the day?
We are ready to start the day.
Yep.
Gotta cook Moon's food.
Cooking
Moon's
it up.
patiently waiting to be fed.
She is.
Let's let that Florida sunshine, or I should say Alabama sunshine in.
It's cold here in Alabama.
It's only 30 degrees right now.
Yeah.
It's freezing. We do still need to show you guys our custom made table. And we need to bolt that thing to the floor.
Yep.
So we gotta do that today. Pretty exciting. You guys should follow along if you haven't subscribed already.
Yep.
Why wouldn't you want to watch this show?
Oh my gosh.
And Angela hand feeding our dog.
She was doing the dance and we don't have time. We don't have time to mess. I just gotta get her to eat, so.
Hand feed the dog. So we're really excited about this custom piece that we had built. So KC Custom Hardwoods had this piece of Siberian elm. And the reason why we loved it is because it's got this natural burl in it. My uncle who passed away, he used to carve. He made a habit of finding wood that had the burls on it because he loved the unique architecture of the wood. And so when we saw this piece that they had there, we knew right away that this was going to be the table in our Airstream. We also got a pedestal from a guy who does a lot of custom tables for Airstreams. So we'll put that in the link below as well, but we got to install this baby.
Yep, time to install it.
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is remove the original base plates. This new pedestal base plate has its own. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Maybe. Oh, that's not too bad. So now we just need to figure out center-wise.
Yeah, 31 and a half.
31 and a half. So that would be
15
and 3/4. So that's about center right there.
Yep. Ready?
Lift. And down. Oh, nice. Good job. So I'm gonna just hold it and try to guide you in. Ooh, it just moved.
Okay, I think we're good.
The moment of truth. Okay, and down. So you could make a bed, and it just swivels a little bit like that.
Good.
Good job.
Yeah.
So if you can do this kind of project.
Together as a couple.
I mean, it's a little roller coastery.
Yeah.
All right, let's put it up.
Okay,
Let's
put
see.
everything back together.
Let's put it all back together. Woo! Hey everyone, I'm Chris
And I'm Angela.
from Escapism with a 3 instead of an E. You know that. We have been at Sun Outdoor RV Resort in Orange Beach, Alabama for the past, how long?
It's been about a week and a half.
And we've enjoyed our stay.
Yeah, I have to say though, I do appreciate like how big the spaces are. I feel like I have lots of room. It's very clean. It has lots of concrete, which Chris told me one time that he likes. There's lots of amenities. One of my favorite things about Sun Outdoors Orange Beach, Alabama RV Resort is that they have lots of little nature parks. So they're very pet friendly. And so that's what we're going to do right now. There's lots of amenities. However, we have decided
We're moving.
we're moving.
We found a smaller, little more quaint, quiet resort called Sugar Sands.
We were just driving by and we're like, oh, that place looks cute. We went in and looked and talked to some people, met some other people from Kansas, which was fun.
It just kind of felt right. What I didn't realize is that this resort's brand new, which is cool. But with that, the trees, because they probably cleared everything up, trees are small. There's not a lot of privacy. At this new resort, there's bushes in between. The trees are more mature. It just feels a little more secluded and private. And that's kind of what
we're looking for.
We're looking for. So Angela's got to pack everything up.
Inside.
She's got to pack everything up on the outside. She's got to pack
I'm not.
everything up while I sit in the car and wait for her.
I do interior chores. He does exterior chores.
That's true.
How this works.
I have to clean the black tank.
Yeah, which makes you happy.
It does.
So get to work.
Okay. Okay, let's rock. You okay?
Yeah.
What was that?
I spilled something everywhere.
Is it bad?
I mean, bad is relative.
Oh. Okay. Carrot chips on the, oh. We have carrot chips everywhere.
We do. I mean, this is an obvious lesson, but sometimes when you're in a hurry, you stuff everything and you shut the door. I opened the door and these carrot chips fell out.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Look at all of them.
It's pretty bad.
Okay, well, I'll be out here.
Yeah, I'm delayed.
See you later. Got Starlink. Just wipe it off on the grass. You're good. Powering down. Oh, will you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Will you check the black tank level?
Well, it's 25.
25, thank you.
Yep.
Whew. I got all kinds of stuff to do out here yet.
That bully stick.
Look at that. Good job, man. You're just chilling with your bully stick.
Bye.
All
Good
right.
luck to you guys.
It's Sugar Sands. Here we go. Woof.
You did it.
I'm exhausted.
It's funny how you're like, oh, we'll just pack up real quick and go. It wasn't very quick.
Yeah, and you know what I think is so interesting is that every time you leave a campsite,
I know.
that's when everyone wants to come up and talk,
It is funny.
which is great.
It's just
But,
kind of a bummer because I would have liked to talk to them sooner.
Exactly. I wonder how we could change that.
Maybe when we arrive, we should just go around and take everybody cookies.
That's not a bad idea.
Like, we're in the neighborhood.
Maybe we should fake pack.
Oh, I like that one. And they'll be like, just kidding. We just wanted to meet you
Just
guys.
kidding. Yep.
Mooners.
Oh, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna come right in the shot, little babes. You're gonna put your butt in the camera.
Should I put her in that stream?
Otherwise, it's just gonna.
Be this.
So where are we?
Well, we are at Sugar Sands RV Resort.
Ah, this is our vibe.
Yeah, this is a good spot. It's a lot smaller, quainter. I have some more nature around me.
We're next to the bathhouse, but I think that's okay.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
Should be fine. That might be how we meet everyone.
Oh, that's actually a good idea. We've been in Orange Beach for 10 days.
I think so.
We didn't shoot a lot of content because we've been busy. And we hosted Aurora.
Are you cozy, Aurora?
And we've just been busy.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's okay.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thanks for coming to hang out with us.
Visit with us.
Hope you had a good spring break.
Yes, thank you.
Love seeing you. Tomorrow,
Yeah.
we're having a busy day.
Okay, what do you have planned for us?
Well, if we're going to show our viewers Orange Beach and maybe Gulf Shores, we need to go to Orange Beach.
I mean, we've been to the beach. We just didn't get any footage of the beach yet.
We didn't.
I wish you could take your dog to the beach, but you can't.
She would.
She tried to get in the lake over there. She got 1 foot in there, and I was like, no! And her one little paw came out all muddy. I wish she could get in there, but I didn't.
You want
trust
gators?
it. I didn't
Yeah,
trust
watch
it.
out for the gators, Moon. Jeez.
She doesn't know about no gators.
No, she's a Kansas dog.
Okay, I think we should cook up some dinner.
Ignored it. We got some steaks. Let's grill these babies up. Put some steaks on the grill. Oh, I know, Mooners. I know what you're thinking. They look real good.
I know you like that in your salad.
That looks ridiculous.
Do that bread with the
Escapism, Koozie.
olive oil.
First of all, amazing job.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good job today. Getting everything. We went grocery shopping. We moved campsites. And now we got an excellent, amazing meal.
Yeah, we do. Ready to dig in?
Yep.
This is a meal.
Excellent meal.
I love it when we go to the grocery store.
I agree. You gonna save any of that oil?
The steak. Get your bread. Get in there. Are we right by an airport? We met some friends last night, and they were telling us about how fun the park is and that there's an alligator, and he comes out and he sunbathes, and so I really want to see that alligator.
Yeah, we'll try to get that.
Yep. And then there was this really big story about a bald eagle.
There was a winds that came through and it blew the bald eagle's nest out.
And the babies fell with the nest to the ground, and they were just a little bit injured, but a local university was watching them and studying them, and so they were able to go to their rescue. They found them.
Yeah, that's awesome. How crazy is that?
So I do want to go to the park. It sounds great.
So
and then
beach, park.
And then we have family coming in town, so.
Busy day. We better get started.
Yeah, here we go.
The first place we're going to.
Gulf State Park.
What is that?
Looks like a ride.
Oh, they got go-karts there.
See brakes?
Dude. Is the alligator at Gulf State Park?
That's what they said last night.
Okay.
So it's hearsay.
Okay.
A notable female alligator frequently nests near the Rosemary Dunes Trail. Visitors should maintain a safe distance.
Run an alligator search.
I haven't seen a alligator in the wild.
I have.
In the wild?
My grandparents lived in Florida. Whenever we go from the condo to the swimming pool
Turn
and
left.
there was a bridge, I would run across that thing as fast as I could when I was a kid. I'm gonna back in. Yeah, there's the duck.
Sweet little duck.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. There's a ton of little fish right there.
I'm a little scared now. Because don't they just kind of like come up with their eyeballs and then you're doomed? There's literally a croc right there.
Like a croc?
A crocodile? A croc.
Oh my gosh.
But why would someone's croc be there? Did they get eaten by an alligator?
What croc?
Right there.
The shoe?
Yeah. Come here.
Someone left their croc.
And their flip-flop. What happened here?
More footprints than there are crocodiles.
I thought it was a funny joke.
It is a funny joke. I just didn't, when you said it's good. Okay, so next place.
Next place, Rosemary Dunes Trail.
Oh, that's a dog park right here.
Oh, Moon would love that.
Ooh, Lake Shelby.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Bring it to me.
All right. Rosemary Dunes. How far is it?
I
It's
don't
like
know.
a little bit of a walk. I'm a little bit hungry. Maybe we should go eat first.
I mean, we could because it's right there.
Yeah. Let me go over there.
We're liking this restaurant here.
We are.
We've come here like every day.
We have.
Either breakfast or lunch, we're here.
It's true. All right, so we're doing a little lunch break before we get back out there, and we're going
the alligator.
to alligator. I'm calling her Bessie.
No one wants to watch us eat, so bye-bye.
Do you have any Snickers?
No, you better not get hungry. We just ate.
No snacks?
No snacks.
This is like the 100th time.
You don't need any snacks. You guys
No, we're
watch
so
this.
far away from the car.
Whatever. We are at Rosemary Dunes Trail on
Okay.
our way to hopefully see an alligator that Chris named Betsy.
Bessie.
Oh, Bessie.
I mean, it's very swampy looking here, so
Yeah.
if I was a gator, this
Oh.
is where I'd be. Well, it says Rosemary Dunes is behind us.
It does say that. Maybe we already did it.
Was it the bridge right there?
I can't believe she's walking on the bridge.
She has to.
She does have to. I decided to take this time to find out a little bit more about the alligator. It's actually said the alligator has a name, Lefty.
Oh, Lefty.
She is usually spotted in the marshy freshwater areas, roughly 1 to 1.5 miles from the Rosemary Dune trailhead.
Okay.
It's near the Indigo Hotel on Beach Boulevard. Yeah, I mean, she's on a pipe.
I think we need to walk back then, huh?
I do too, because close to the Indigo Hotel is like where we were. I think we should go that way because it says trailhead is 0.25. That's where we came from.
Yep.
And this says 1 to 1.5 miles from the trailhead.
All right, let's do it.
Come on, babies.
Go get Mooners, do it with her tongue.
Hobbling.
Come on, babe.
Keep going, little babes.
Oh, man.
Okay, we're about You think a mile?
I think a mile.
We're not the only ones searching for the alligator.
It's true.
We ran into another group of people that are doing the walk. It does help though, I think we're going the right way. Or at least somebody else thinks it's this way too,
Yeah.
you know?
So
I think we just keep on
keep
keeping
on trucking.
Boxer.
Yeah, thanks. You're good, just stay on this side, okay? Stay right here, babes. We'll just wait. Yeah, hi. Just wait, Mooners.
Hot. And there goes all our water.
You have more water in the car.
Yeah, if we make it.
Oh my gosh, we've turned around. So,
Yeah, it's hot. It's midday.
Yeah.
That's probably the best time to see the alligator. We did talk to a guy, and he said that there were people looking, but no one had seen her. So
we don't even think she's out right now.
So-
And I feel a little bad for Moon because her leg hurts sometimes, and
her tongue's almost dragging on the floor.
I didn't bring enough water for all three of us for a 4 mile.
We have a lot of excuses. Let's just put it simple. We turned around, okay? Deal with it. There's no alligator. We'll just find a video online and paste it right here. Or a picture. Thank you for making breakfast.
My pleasure.
Okay, so today we got a busy day.
Yeah, I'm excited though. We're gonna go to Dauphin Island. We're going with family and we get to take Moon. Have you ever taken your car on a ferry before?
Not my personal car, but I've taken a rental car on a ferry.
Oh,
'Cause
I've never done it.
We've only got 2 more days here.
It kind of went by fast.
It did. It's a nice little quaint resort. We love it.
This place
Sugar
is
Sands is really, really good. We got to go pick up family at the Phoenix and drive to Dauphin Island to hit our ferry at, I think, at 11:45.
Right.
Okay, we got to get going.
Let's go.
We can turn around.
We were coming for the Dauphin Island.
You can still get to Dauphin Island. You just have to drive to Mobile to get there.
Got it. We can see that route. Yeah.
There's a-
Can we just pop a U?
Yep. So just turn around at that brick road by the
Okay,
post over there.
thank you. All right, so no Dauphin Island today.
We were trying to get on the ferry, and the ferry was closed today because of high winds.
Yeah,
So that's a bummer.
that was a big time bummer.
But we got all the way to Fort Morgan and stopped at a coffee shop. That was nice. And then went to the beach, just hung out.
Fire truck.
I think this lady's gonna let you.
Okay. Give him the old Midwestern wave. Thank you very much. In case you don't know, Midwestern wave is we're gonna have dinner tonight at
Food craft.
Craft. Yeah, I am excited to have like a nice sit down dinner.
Yeah, you actually like showered, got ready.
That's rude. I shower every day. You, on the other hand. Yep, gonna have some dinner and then I think I'm gonna call it a night.
Yeah,
The beach
sitting at the beach makes me tired.
makes me tired. We really need to figure out our path home,
Oh yeah, we do need to plan that. I think we should do that in the morning.
but we do, because we don't have anything booked. I'm tired. Yeah. Can't do that.
Oh, as you were saying that, I was getting ready to yawn. I got you.
Turn left and get to dinner.
Bye, campsite.
Yep,
It's been lovely.
till the poop guys showed up.
We heard this sound.
A little plate that goes onto that. It was like Airstream challenges today. So it's one of these guys.
And just like that, we're home.